Hey guys, my name is Mike, and I'm today wanna tell you a little bit about Honda Super Quad Generator 2200 and packing and first starting. So, and it says here no oil, so they warn you to add some oil. We have instruction manual here, and we have generator itself. All right, yeah, let me put this. Yeah, and that's it, nothing else. Let me put this guy down for you. All right. Right, my manual says the oil is okay here, and I have one more thing here. Yeah, so learn the mistake. It spills if you fill it up too quickly and not carefully. As you seen, maybe I have a little bit of the problem with this oil cup, but it's ended up all good. I need some more towels just to make it super clean. All right. All right. What's next? Next, we're gonna fill up the tank. So I have this, as per instructions, ethanol free. Yeah, I like those. Those makes it's really clean, everything. So I made personally a lot of mistakes, so I need this. All right, this have to go to the on, and we about ready to start. Now I have to read the manual first. Yeah, let me close this. So on, that's on. Then e-control switch. E-control, I can't see. Oh, yeah, okay. E-control switch goes to off. Alright, that's how it is. Choke control closed. Switch on position. Right? On position and start. Close choke level. Okay, that's my first ever run. Alright, now everything is instructed, so it's on. Alright, that's my first successful run of the generator. I think that I will let it run for a while, see if there is any light. It might be super loud on the video as I saw, but it's not that in the real life. I think you can turn the e-casserole. That's kinda make it work as per load, right? And then yeah, I feel it. It's like super quiet. Right, that's how my scene looks now. Right, I'm gonna throw this guy out. I'm going to close this guy up, and I need to clean this funnel, and I think we're good to go. I would run it for another off, just to give it some torque, and I'll clean it in a while, and we'll see. Works fine, a little smelly, but I guess it's acceptable. Yeah, that's a good guy. I like it. Yeah, no, I was browsing around. There was some cheap. I don't know. I haven't tested this. Not the cheap, but I mean twice cheaper than that one. But my friends forwarded to this, and yeah, that's the only choice, and that's like I don't know, like a standard kind of here. It's been for a while on the market, and everyone like it here because it's has no problems since then. When the first one came out, like till now, it's working just fine, and no one had any problems. All right, I will put down my phone now, folks, and I'll tell you goodbye at this point. I need to clean it up, and we'll pack it up, everything, and we'll roll back home. Anyway, subscribe, like, comment, all those stuff, and thank you. See you on another videos. Yeah, bye bye.